How to find your Instagram email address. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To find your Instagram email address, first step is to launch your Instagram application. So over here, make sure you are logged in into your Instagram account. Then you need to click on the profile icon that is at the bottom right corner. From here, at the top right corner, you will see the three horizontal lines. Tap on it. From here, you need to head over to Account Center. Then, click on the option of Personal Details. At the top, you will see the contact info. Tap on it. And right over here, you can find your email address that is associated with your account. If you wish to delete the email, you can also delete and add a new one. Or if it's yet to be confirmed, just tap on Confirm Email right over here. So this is how you can check out the email address that is associated with your Instagram account. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon. So make